Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Boom City Breaks on Sunday, March 19th. And tonight we are breaking boom boxes. This here is a one box divisional break. We did random divisions. You can see up in the upper left. We've already randomized the divisions and customers. we then want Yep, we then alphabetized them so they could see who they had. Now, here we go. Ooh, well, again, maybe not the highest hit. A great young player, though. Y'all see who that is. That is your JSA numbers. That is Reed. That is Reed. So that is going to be an NFC East, right? That is NFC East. I'm horrible with my divisions, guys. You guys got to help me out in that one. That is an NFC East, right? Yep, so that is a Hawkward hit. Hawkward hit. All right, so there you go, folks. That is going to be a awkward hit. Sorry to everybody else in the break there, but you all know how this works. That is a awkward. All right, join us at breakers.tv at Boom City Breaks. You'll find me or Gatsby breaking all forms of memorabilia. Have a good one.